Okay, so we'll do an introduction. This is Mike from Germany, and he's here with his wife, and we're on the way back to Halifax, eh?
Yeah, we want to go back to Halifax. We're coming from South America.
Yeah.
And traveling the Panamericana from the southest point, Ushuaia, to our northest point, the Arctic Ocean and Tuktoyaktuk.
All right.
And now we're on the back home to Halifax and go back to Germany.
So why are we under your Land Rover?
Why I'm using...
Why are we underneath this Land Rover? What was wrong?
What is wrong? Wrong is the differential makes problems. It's no...
You took the... You
I can't drive it with 4x4.
There's no drive, isn't it? Is there?
So the gearbox makes noises.
We're replacing the gearbox and the transfer box as a unit.
The transmission box makes noises much more.
Mm-hmm.
And so I can't drive this last 2,000 kilometers.
You were driving it on the front axle.
Yeah, it's only on the front axle. That's kills the car.
Good. I'll try and get back a bit further so we can see you doing this, because I want to see what's inside this.
Okay.
Because you took the drive shafts out, didn't you?
Yeah, that's out.
You took the drive shafts out. So I'm ready. Let's go. Action. Oh, so far so good. We got the flashlight there. That's a 4-pin differential. Ooh, look, the bolts are still on. That's interesting. Can we have a look inside those gears? Inside here.
Can you see something?
No, not really. But at least the gear's good.
With the pointer?
Just let me have a look down. Can you shine from that side?
Yeah.
Oh, seems to be alright. Well, it seems to be alright. I was expecting all the teeth to have fallen off. You've got the drive shafts, haven't you? The shafts? The drive...
Shaft?
In the car?
I had.
The axle shaft?
The axle shaft was inside.
Yeah.
And I stay here and can roll in.
But what I was saying is, if you've got the spline shafts, we'll put them in now and just see what it feels like.
Okay.
While it's here, because it might not be that. It might be something else at the other end. I'm not sure. It's hard to say. But because I'm curious to what's wrong with it. Well, the easiest way to do that, whilst it's nearly 4 o'clock, but let's take it across to the bench, undo those 4 bolts, and see what's inside here.
Okay.
We'll do that now, because we've got a little bit of space. Okay. So after stripping the diff down, and not finding anything, what did we find?
We find...
Kind of embarrassing, really, isn't it?
The spline here.
Stripped out completely.
Stripped out completely, and then it's...
Was it all turning? Yeah, it's a wonder it never made a... I wonder it didn't make such a noise.
Crazy noise.
I don't know, you guys.
So now I have to clean it.
Yeah, clean the spline. Might take a little bit of time. That's the brand new one.
That's a brand new one.
So we can use that as a guide. And I've also got you a new clip.
A new clip, okay. A little bit, I have to clean it, and then I think it's okay.
Yeah. No, that's all it was. So all I've got to do is reassemble that diff and set the tension, set the preload on it, and it should be good. Oh, well, that's a job that's didn't take too long, did it? It's mucky though. It's in the parts washer. Everything's in the parts washer. It's really dirty, but anyway. That's just a little short video. This is the box that's going in, TD5. We're changing the ratio, aren't we? It was a 1.2.
Yes.
And we decided because his caravan. What does your motorhome weigh? Your caravan, your living van, at the back.
On the back.
Yeah.
The weight.
The weight of all the car.
The weight of all the car, 4 tons.
4 tons.
Maybe 3,950 or so.
Well, it's closest damn it 4 tons, isn't
4
it?
tons.
And you've got to sit in it, so
Yeah, but when I sit in.
that's a lot of weight. So, because he's got the engines tuned up to what, 150?
Yeah, 150 horsepower.
Going through a 1.2, we decided to go down to a 1.44. It'll be slightly slower, won't it? It'll be slightly slower,
Yeah,
but it won't be stressing out the gearbox.
yeah.
One of my next videos is when we've got this in, is to see what's inside the old one.
What's going wrong?
What's going wrong in it, because it was making a lot of noise and a lot of metal came out of it.
Metal and, yeah.
So anyway, that's that. So that was just again another quick one. We're not showing you how to put this in and out because it's a pain in the arse, isn't it? It's just a hell of a job to put a gearbox in and out. But we've been modifying some supports, haven't we? I don't know if we've got them here. Oh yeah, I found out on the TD5 when we couldn't drop the engine mounting out, could we? On this side, because this goes under here, but it was hitting the frame. My frame, so we've just modified this one so we can get the bolt in from this side and also drop the engine mount in and out. It's a different design every time we touch something. Yeah, this engine mount here, it's a gearbox mount, was terrible. But anyway, this should be good. This has been tried and tested, so yeah, it should be a good one. But we'll put that in tomorrow because I've had enough of today. I don't know about you. What do you think?
Yeah, we do that
Big day today.
For today, we have enough work.
We can have the rest of the day off. What time is it now? 4:30. Yeah, we'll have the rest of the day off. We've earned it. So we'll leave that. We'll wash this off, and I'll assemble that tomorrow. Well, we'll put the box in tomorrow, and while you're bolting up this, I'll put that together.
Okay.
You know, then that's done, isn't it?
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Because you can, once this is in, you can put all the nuts and bolts in. That's that's easy, but this might take a little bit of setting up. Excellent. Well, a very productive day. I think I'll have a rewarding glass of sherry. Right, see you later.